Got the Shapton Glass 500 double thick. Just flattened this, cleaned up that. There's kind of like a film or a scale that comes on them that changes how they sharpen for the first time. So cleaned this all up, flattened it. I have the Pro 1000, and same thing, flatten this one. This one's been used before though. So yeah, this is the double thick version. It was about $90, so a little bit more than the regular thick one. I'm I'm kind of comparing this to the 1000 because I feel like a lot of people really know this stone, and it's a pretty popular stone. So if I remember right, the Pro line in the coarser grits are around $45, so you're looking at double the price. So it's funny when it's new, the water won't even sit on top until you sand that layer off. This is just a cheapie. This is brand new and freshly dulled. I think these are around 55, 56 Rockwell. They're just kind of a regular stainless. So what I'm going to do is I'll do this on one side and see how it goes and see what the finish looks like, and then compare it to the Pro 1000. So yeah, they both move quite a bit of metal. Got some magazine paper. So here's the finish from the Shapton Glass 500. And here's the finish from the Shapton Pro 1000. I'm really impressed with the 500 grit glass stone from Shapton. More impressed than I thought I would be. I put this right in with the 1000. It was kind of my initial thought, because the 1000 is quite a bit coarser than advertised. But finish-wise, they were very similar. That everything about this stone felt better than the 1000. I don't know if it was overly faster. They both seemed to cut very well. They left a ton of metal behind, and as far as that goes, I would say just like with the finish, they're fairly interchangeable. But feedback is very nice on this stone. Not to say that feedback's bad on this stone, it's just not great, and it really is great on the glass.